Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate CommerceTools with OAuth and Webhooks. Detailed. To authenticate CommerceTools with OAuth and Webhooks, start by logging into your CommerceTools account. Navigate to the API Clients section in the dashboard. Click on Create API Client to generate a new client. Fill in the required details for the new API client, including name and description. Select the required scopes based on the permissions needed for your integration. Once you have configured the necessary settings, click Save to create the client. Once the API client is created, note down the client ID and client secret. Now, you need to obtain an OAuth token. To do this, use the OAuth token endpoint provided by CommerceTools. You will make a POST request to this endpoint. Include your client ID and client secret in the request body. Specifically, use the parameters grant_type, client_ID, and client_secret. After submitting the request, check the response for an access token. This access token is essential for authenticating your API calls. Next, let's set up webhooks. Head to the webhooks configuration in the CommerceTools dashboard. Click on Create Webhook to set up your first webhook. You will need to specify the destination URL where CommerceTools will send notifications. Outline the specific events you want to receive in your webhook. Make sure your server can handle incoming requests from CommerceTools. Test the webhook using a service like Ngrok to expose your local server. Once you verify the webhook is working, deploy your server. Return to your CommerceTools dashboard and finalize the webhook settings. Ensure you save all changes to complete the configuration. Your API client is now ready, and webhooks are properly set up. You can begin integrating CommerceTools with your application using the access token and monitoring events through webhooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.